It's 12 o'clock in the night and I'm at the airport Malaga. Hi everybody and welcome back on a new vlog. As you know, I'm a DJ and a producer and I do a lot of sport for my foundation DJ Stop ALS. And I try to travel a lot to my gigs, but today I'm at the airport at 12 o'clock in the midnight only to pick up some people, so it's not for my traveling. Guess what? I have to pick up 3 people. It's my mother, my aunt and a friend, and they come with 2 separate flights and they both are delayed more than 1 hour. So I have some time at the airport to walk around and I'm really stunned how busy it is at 12 o'clock at the airport Malaga. Look all those people. It's a constant flow of people that are walking out of the airport. I'm here at the departure hall. There are not a lot of people. There were still some flights going out, but the most people were when you go down at the arrival hall. So I took the escalator down and then I came in the arrival hall, and look at that, how many people are walking out constantly. It's incredible. It's now around 1 o'clock in the night and it's incredible how many people are coming out of the airport. Finally, everybody arrived and we could go home. After a short night, I took out the bike and went for 1 hour mountain biking in the countryside. And look at that, how beautiful it is here. It's really, really nice. I had to cross some rivers. There is still some water in there. I think a few weeks and then all the water is disappear in the rivers. But for now there is water and makes the mountain biking more exciting when you have to cross the rivers. For now I'm still training on the mountain bike, but after a few weeks I have to change my mountain bike to the road bike because I have to train then on the road. I'm gonna do the half Ironman in Maastricht and then I have to get used on the road bike again. So that's why I gonna change to the road bike after a few weeks. And of course for a half Ironman you have to start to pick up the running and the swimming again. So that's also what I'm doing now. I try to train 4 or 5 days in the week and the rest of the time I want to spend as much as possible producing music, and of course I'm still selecting all the music for the new laptop. And I try to help you guys, of course. When you need any assistance with producing or sports, leave a comment and I try to figure out how I can help you. And I'm also try to put more time in my record label Sundance Records, because I have a record label but I didn't do a lot with it because I don't had any time for it. But now I want to concentrate more on the music side of my life and less on the sporting side of my life. So I also try to create more time for the record label Sundance Records. So if you have a promo or a demo, let me know, send me the link and I listen to it and maybe we can bring it out on my label. It's not a big label, but all the big DJs started on a small label and you have to start somewhere. So why not on a small label? Because it's only for a few people that they release the first track on a really big label. So send me your promos, subscribe to the channel so I get more than 1,000 followers, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, push the notification bell, and I hope to see you back tomorrow. Enjoy!